Hi, welcome back to MATLAB. Today we are going to see how we can find common denominator of two or multiple fractions in a very easy way. Let's take some examples. 11 over 5 and 3 over 31. How we can find common denominator using equivalent fractions. This method is called the easiest common denominator. So we have to find a number which divides 31 and 5 in the same time. How we can do that? An easy way is to multiply 31 with 5, which is equal to 155. So I know that 155, yes, divides 31 and 5 in the same time. Now, I'm coming back to my initial fractions and I am going to amplify first fraction with the bottom number of the second fraction without doing any division. Yes, I'm not doing 155 divided by 5. No, because I know the result is 31. In here also, I will amplify with 5, the opposite bottom number of the other fraction. So, results that 31 multiplied with 11 equals with 341 over 155, yes? And 5 multiplied with 3 equals 15 over 155, yes? So now I have two fractions with the same denominator. This method applies for any type of fraction and any type of denominator. Let's take another example. 61 over 11 and 3 over 2. In this case, we have as denominator 11 and 2, yes? In order to find another number which divides in the same time 11 and 2, I'm going to multiply 11 with 2, which is equal to 22. So I have my common denominator. Now I'm going to amplify first fraction with 2 because I know I have to amplify with the opposite number of my second fraction, and also this one I am going to amplify with 11, yes? Without making any kind of division. So in this case, results 2 multiplied with 61, 122 over 22, and the second fraction, 11 multiplied with 3, 33 over 22. So I have two fractions with bottom number the same, yes? These types of fraction with common denominator help you to compare further, adding, ordering, and subtract fractions easy and fast, because here if I do adding operation 122 plus 33 over 22, yes, it's very simple. Now I will take more common example. 5 over 18 and 7/9. In here, it's obvious that 18 is the common factor because it divides 9 from the multiplication table, yes? So results common factor 18. So I'm going to amplify the second fractions with 2. And I have 5/18 and 14/18. Now I have two equivalent fractions with the same denominator. Let's take another example, this time made of 3 fractions to see how it works. I have 1/5 and 3/10 and 7/17 because 10 divides 5, yes. I'm going to multiply in here common denominator equals with 10 multiplied with 17. I'm going to multiply only these two bottom numbers, which is 107. So I have my common factor. Yes, now I'm going to amplify. Here I have to make the division. I'm going to amplify with 34 because 107 divided by 5 equals 34. And here I'm going to amplify with inverse bottom number of my two fractions. So I'm going to amplify here with 17 and here with 10, meaning this one. Yes? So results that I have 34/117 when I make the multiplication, and 17 multiplied by 3 equals 51/170, and 7 multiplied with 10, 70/170. So I have 3 fractions with the same common denominator. Yes, this type of fractions usually are very simple to obtain. That's it for today.